the superfood that could save bees from global collapse. The news is exciting and urgent. Scientists have developed a superfood that could be the salvation of bees, which are facing an unprecedented global collapse. This breakthrough, a true milestone in biology, could protect these vital pollinators from threats like climate change and habitat loss. The situation is critical. In the United States, annual colony losses have ranged between 40 and 50% over the last decade. In the United Kingdom, some beekeepers reported losing up to 75% of their hives just last winter. These figures are alarming, as bees are responsible for pollinating 70% of the world's major crops. Without them, our food security is at risk. The underlying problem has been their diet. Bees rely on pollen and nectar for essential nutrients, especially lipids called sterols, which are crucial for their development. During the winter, or when flowers are scarce, beekeepers give them a supplemental food. However, this food made of protein, flour, sugar, and water has always lacked these vital nutrients. It was like a human diet without carbohydrates, amino acids, or vitamins. To solve this problem, Professor Geraldine Wright of the University of Oxford led a team of scientists for 15 years. Their goal was to identify the sterols that bees need and find a way to provide them. They achieved this with a feat of genetic engineering, using gene editing to create a yeast capable of producing the 6 specific sterols that bees require. It's a breakthrough that Professor Wright still celebrates by looking at the photo of the chromatogram on her office wall. The technique is innovative. One of the researchers, Jennifer Chanels, described the process as creating a cookie dough. Using kitchen equipment, she mixed various proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and micronutrients, including the new yeast, to determine what the bees preferred and what benefited them the most. The laboratory results were spectacular. Colonies fed with this new supplement produced up to 15 times more bees that successfully grew to adulthood. This means healthier, more disease-resistant bees capable of surviving periods of nutritional stress, such as droughts, which lead to the greatest winter losses. While preparing for large-scale trials, it is expected that this superfood will be available to beekeepers and farmers within the next 2 years. This innovative work, the result of a collaboration between several institutions, marks a giant step forward in protecting bees and, with them, our food future.